Exclusive interiors and architecture. Designing dreams. Building relationships. We do awesome things.
Hi, I am Harsh Jain.
Hi, I'm Garima Goyal Jain.
Yeah, we came to know about Exclusive via Google search. Actually, when we bought a flat, we should do interior or not.
And then
else.
we started looking for it, and
yeah.
we were searching it online only, like in Facebook and in Google Chrome,
search,
and we
yeah.
found Exclusive in Google, and then I contacted Nidhi ma'am.
Everything was clear at the first meeting itself. That's the thing, we connect with them. We met several interiors before them.
With Nidhi ma'am and Abhijit sir, we immediately connected and we finalized at the moment that we will go with them. We met both Nidhi ma'am and Abhijit sir in our first meeting. Nidhi ma'am explained about the designing process and how we go about from designing to execution, what comes in between, what is the selection process, and then Abhijit sir came into picture with all the financial and budgeting. So we were completely aware of the process. They had what we wanted.
Yeah.
There were some things like we wanted something unique, and they were willing to give it, and they already deal with something exclusive, as their name suggests. So that is where it immediately clicked, and we didn't have to make them completely understand or show them the reference pictures. When we told them what kind of thing we have in mind, the first design they showed us was completely up to our expectations. Nidhi ma'am completely took care of our requirement, of
every
our
small
choices,
details also.
every small details, and especially we were also not pinpoint to some things. If we were missing on something, she used to suggest us that it should go like this should be the thing, and what is right, what is wrong according to the design. It was not just like if we wanted, she will give it to us. It wasn't like that. She was practical also about the designing. So that was the one of the best part about their designing. Finally, what they gave, the final product is exactly what they have shown in the 3D, and it is exactly what they promised to us, that whatever the 3D which we are showing you right now, the final product will be like that, and they are completely fulfilled it. We are extremely happy with the outcome of their designing and their execution. Everything is taken care of really well, and we are completely satisfied. We'll highly recommend it to anyone will come in contact with, or whoever is searching.
In fact, I have already recommended my friends also. Thank you, Exclusive, for the wonderful execution of our home.
And we wish you all the very,
the
very best for your future projects and future endeavors. Have a good luck. Good luck.
Thank you. You can reach us at